Welcome to another Partner CPRM video tutorial. This time we're going to look at emails and specifically how to send them manually and how to send them automatically by scheduling them in advance. And we'll also look at some of the email settings available. Now, it's important to remember that all email sending here inside of the partner system is based within your network surveys. So if you haven't already, you'll want to set up a new survey for a network within your ecosystem. And if you're actually planning on emailing a group of your members without a survey, this is still the best way to use the system to email them. So I've gone ahead and set up a community partner survey here just for us to use for the purposes of our emails here. So in the overview page, you'll see I've only added one member to this new network survey, and it shows that they have not yet completed it. So when we are ready to get these emails sent, inviting them to participate in the survey, we're going to navigate to the page here and click the emails option right at the top. And by default, this will open the scheduling tool here, which is the automated option for sending your emails. So it's really quite simple here, though. This selector tool here on the left, you're going to start by choosing the type of email you want to send. So in this case, I have a reminder. You're going to choose specifically the day and time, and I'm just kind of choosing some random ones here. And then you'll choose the specific template within that type. So just keep in mind, you do have to categorize all of those templates as one of those 5 so that you can find the right one. So once you've checked all of those 3 options, though, you have scheduled your email. And so if I refresh this page as just an example of that, and return to my community partner survey here, you will see that is now scheduled. So the other option here is the manual option. And so this is if you just want to send the email to a specific subset of respondents. The automatic schedule option here, this is going to send this to everyone within that capture, all of the members here in this list. And so if you do want to just send it to a subset, you can click the manual option and just select here by hand those you want to email. So in this case, I could just select myself here and then choose which of the email types I would like to send, and it'll work through that whole process just the same. And I can send it by going to click send. Lastly here, though, we have some email settings you can choose. I think the most important things here just to keep in mind are your email signature placeholder, and this can be included by default in the messages you send, just so that you have the same signature across all of them. And then also you can choose specifically where emails are getting sent from and to. So this will show up when your respondents or those recipients will see where it's coming from, but it is good to just note that emails will officially be coming from a partner tool email address. So this will help make it appear that it's coming from you, but it is still coming through our system. If you want to make sure you see those emails when they're sent, you can always check the CC box, and that'll make sure that you are included on those emails as well. It's great for if you're just getting started and testing things and want to make sure that you have set them up properly. Lastly here, we do have some reminder options. And so specifically with reminder emails, you can use these to essentially set a criteria on which users will receive those scheduled reminder emails. So in this case, anyone who has not yet submitted their survey, as well as anyone who submitted it but has completed less than 70%. And you can set that at whatever margin you would like. So that is just a quick overview here of your email options within the partner partner CPRM platform. So I hope you learned a lot. Thanks for joining us.